friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. We are back with a new video, and this time it is really very special video as we are taking you on a tour to the most luxury hotel of Hyderabad. Yes, the Taj Falaknuma Palace. Many of you might know about this luxurious hotel and now we are en route to it. We have taken a private road to this hotel and there are a lot of trees surrounding the road. It's so awesome and beautiful. We have reached the gate now and here your booking details are checked and only then you are allowed to enter inside. So prior booking is kind of mandatory, guys. And this is like a dream coming true for me. I am going to Taj Falaknuma, and now once you pass this gate you can still see a lot of greenery. Wow, feels like I am in some outside country. It's like going inside the forest. The road is well maintained and one needs to be careful due to turns. So enjoy the road, guys, like I am doing it. In the meantime, you can also hit the subscribe button down the video. अब तो सब्सक्राइब करना बनता है फ्रेंड्स. ताज फलकनुमा के टूर पे ले जा रही हूँ आपको. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification icon. Just see how much we need to drive to reach the gate. And here we can see the palace gate. अब कुछ मज़ेदार बातें इस पैलेस के बारे में. This palace was built by Sir Viqar-ul-Umra and he started the construction in 1884. It took around 9 years to complete. Sir Viqar-ul-Umra was the then Prime Minister of Hyderabad. He was inspired by European architecture during his visit to Europe, which then inspired to him to build this palace. And later he sold this palace to Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Mahbub Ali Khan, and the Nizam used it as an official royal guest house for his elites. हम फाइनली पार्किंग एरिया पर पहुंच चुके हैं and you have to park your vehicle here, and from here we will be escorted in either the battery car or the horse car. Let us see what will we get. पर उससे पहले इस जगह की एक छोटी सी वीडियो तो हो जाए. कितना सुंदर है. I am really feeling like royal guest today. Thanks Taj for providing the opportunity to take this experience. Friends, Taj Group of Hotels started the restoration work of this palace in 2000 and nearly took 10 years to restore it. It's really beautiful, and pardon me if I have been saying beautiful numerous number of times, but क्या करें यार, ये तो है ही इतना सुंदर. After all the COVID protocols checking, यहाँ आ रही है हमारी रॉयल सवारी, घोड़ा गाड़ी, एकदम मस्त. तो चले दोस्तों फिर से रॉयल्टी की फील लेने. पर उससे पहले एक बार फिर से कह रही हूँ, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. Oh my god, this is my first ride in Tonga and I'm really feeling like a royal guest. It is a bumpy ride in घोड़ा गाड़ी, पर चलता है इतना तो. But if you want a comfortable experience, then you can choose the battery car as well. But royalty का feel लेना है तो of course choose this one. And do enjoy the landscape of the palace surroundings. It is beautifully maintained and I was informed that there are many peacocks and birds here. We will come again to visit this place later, but abhi to let's enjoy the ride. अब थोड़ा सा वीडियो को फास्ट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि हम घोड़े तो अपने हिसाब से ही चल रहा है, हम वीडियो अपने हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. टिक टॉक. And now we are approaching the royal palace. We have few buildings surrounding them which we will explore later, and looks like हम पहुंच गए आलिशान ताज फलकनुमा पैलेस में. Yes, we have reached the palace now. So now here is the view of Grand Palace with Tonga in front. Isn't it beautiful and amazing, friends? Do let us know if you are also agreeing with this statement in the comment section. Now it's time for royal welcome and the welcome drinks. So they have two varieties of drinks, and that's my baby, and she is also very excited like me. And now their flower petals are raining from the top. What a grand welcome. Seriously, I never expected this, and I'm thrilled by the experience. After covering this much distance, we are finally here at the lobby area. Here we can see the great paintings on the ceiling and marble stools to sit. Just amazing. And some vases, chandeliers, and right past it we have the reception area. We will take you to the palace tour later, friends. Right now let's do the check-in formalities and head towards our room. Wow. So we are at the reception area, and this is the kind of a musical instrument and few paintings, and this is the reception desk, and right past it is a hall to sit where we can do all the check-in formalities. अब तो देर किस बात की, चलो डिटेल्स भरें और चलें रूम की तरफ. Just look at the ceiling with wooden carvings and all. It's just the masterpiece. Wow. And take you 100 years back. The room beside it looks like a waiting hall for guests, and it is well preserved with antiques. It's nice and beautiful. Now here we are given a tab and to make the entry on a soft copy. Nice. Now we got our room, and it is on the first floor, and we are going towards our room. This is 109. Just see the size of the main door. and it's a traditional lock. सही है, cool. Right at the entrance we have a study table with lamps and water bottles, coffee and tea, chair to sit, and we have a TV installed on a traditional table with the sofa couch, dressing mirror, and here is a warm and cozy bed to relax with lamps and side tables with a phone and water bottles again. Sofa bed with the center table, and here are the wardrobes, and inside the wardrobes we have an ironing table and some space to keep your luggage. And the other wardrobe, so this is completely empty and you can keep your belongings here. Now it's the time for bath tour. Here is the royal bathtub with liquid soaps, and we have a bath section on the left. This is the bath section. And the small sink with all the toiletries in place. Another sink with the toilet section. And here we are back to our room. What is this? Okay, so this is like a fridge unit and speakers, and few more water bottles are inside the fridge. So with so many water bottles here, you will never run out of drinking water. And this is the view from outside our room. It is beautiful and amazing. So friends, that was the first part of our Falaknuma Palace tour. We will be back soon with the next part. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And as always, don't forget to like or share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.